Today the topic is excretory organs. Excretory organs in animals. Different types of the excretory organs present in various animals. Okay, these are helps in elimination of the excretory products. Okay, which is useful in maintenance of the ion balance and water levels in the body, that is equal to osmoregulation. Okay, in this, firstly, animals from the protozoa. Okay, organisms from the protozoa eliminates waste products through its body surface. Example, amoeba. And animals from the porifera, for example, cycon, eliminates waste products through its body surface. And animals from the Cnidaria or Coelenterata, okay, eliminates waste products through its body surface. For example, Hydra, okay. And another, Protonephridium. In the protonephridium, these are network of dead end tubules in the body. Dead end tubules in the body. Each one of the protonephridium having flame bulb. These are the flame bulbs open and also having tufts of cilia. Okay, flame bulb having tufts of the cilia. Okay, these are tufts of cilia open, projected into the inner part of the protonephridia. Okay, these protonephridia present in Platyhelminthes and rotifers and larvae of the annelids and lancelets. Lancelets are the protochordates. Amphiaxis. Lancelet, the scientific name is Amphiaxis. Okay, these are protochordates, first chordates. Okay, protochordates means animals having the notochord in mid-dorsal position. The protonephridia present in lancelets called solenocytes. Okay, protonephridia having nephriospores. Okay, and these are protonephridia helps in elimination of the waste products and osmoregulation of the body fluids. Next, second one, metanephridia. Metanephridia are the tubular structures and dip into coelomic fluid of the body. Okay, students, coelomic fluid means the coelom present in the animals filled with the fluid, coelomic fluid, and these are also covers with the capillary network, blood capillary network, enveloped with blood capillary network. Okay, these are helps in elimination of the waste products. These are metanephridia having nephridiopore which opens to the outside through body surface, and these are sinked into the coelomic fluid with the help of the nephrostome, which receive excretory products from this. And metanephridia present in annelids and earthworm. Earthworm also belong from phylum Annelida. Next, Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules are excretory organs in trachyate arthropods or insects. Okay, and these are blind tubules. And these are free floating in the hemolymph. Okay, the blood present in the trachyate arthropods or insect is called hemolymph. Okay, Hemolymph, that means blood present in the insects. These are Malpighian tubules forms the uric acid and send into the food tube, digestive tract for the elimination. The formation of the uric acid by the Malpighian tubules also helps in conservation of the water in the body. Okay, this is about Malpighian tubules. And antennary glands also called green glands. These are present at the base of antenna. Okay, antenna are the structures. Antenna are the sensory structures present in crustaceans. Of Arthropoda phylum. Okay, and these are open to the exterior, present at the base of antenna and open to the exterior, to the outside from body. Receive from hemolymph. Excretory products are received from the hemolymph. Okay, hemolymph is the body fluid. These are about the antennary glands, green glands, present in crustaceans, example prawn. Next, coxal glands. Coxal glands are excretory organs present in arachnids, for example spider. Okay, students, and spiders belong from the phylum Arthropoda. Next, kidneys and pericardial glands. These are the excretory organs present in adult molluscans. Okay, metanephridia is also present in molluscans. Okay, students. Next, if you goes to hemichordates, proboscis gland is act as a excretory structure. And if you observe urochordates, neurogland is act as excretory structure. And if you go to vertebrates means in these animals, notochord develops into the vertebral column or the backbone, which is present in mid-dorsal position of the animal. In these animals, kidneys are act as a excretory organs. Kidneys are the most complex tubular structures, okay, which are present in high developed animals such as chordates. Okay, students, this is about the excretory organs in the invertebrates and the vertebrates. Okay, and animals additionally having some amount of the excretory structures. For example, human beings. Additionally, with the kidneys are the main excretory organs in the human excretory system. Additionally, with the kidneys, lungs are act as excretory organs. Liver is also act as excretory structure. Okay, students, and the skin is also excrete some amount of the excretory parts from the body, which is helps in maintenance of the pH, ionic balance and water levels in the body. Okay, these are main excretory organs. Present in different types of the animals. Protonephridium present in platyhelminthes, rotifers, larvae of annelids and lancelets. Metanephridia present in annelids and earthworms. Malpighian tubules present in insects. antennary glands present in crustaceans. Okay, coxal glands present in arachnids. Kidneys, pericardial glands present in molluscans.